Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the ILUVSARAHI times Colourpop collaboration eyeshadow palette through my eyes. So if you want to see how I got my eyes like this, well, first subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial.
First, getting into the eyeshadow Euphoric and the Morphe R37 blending brush. Add that to the crease in the crease area, focusing on the outer corner, outer half of that crease area, and blend it up as well to make a sort of wing happening, and really focus on blending it back and forth in swiping motions. Now we're going to go into Divina and the Zoeva Luxe 228 crease blending brush, and we're patting that directly into that shadow. Tap it, dab it, however you prefer to say it. Just pack on that outer corner and make it more defined and bring dimension in the outer corner. Start to blend it in a little tiny bit of swiping motions, but go back and forth between blending and tapping, adding that shadow, packing it on. Also start to bring it up a little bit as you start to blend it, but not too high up, and blend in back and forth swiper sort of motions, and also blend it out into a wing until you feel that that outer corner is deepened enough for your liking and satisfaction. And yeah. Next, we're getting into the shade Emerald Dream, that beautiful shimmer shade, and the Nabla very precise pencil brush. So I've been liking to use shimmer, well, for shimmer shades, I like to use little tiny pencil brushes. For some reason, they work really well in applying shimmer shades. Basically apply it to the whole mobile eyelid, and I move up above the crease as if I'm cutting the crease, and I move it all the way almost to the very outer corner as well. With the shadow Moody and the Nabla Dab and Smudge brush, I press that onto the very outer corner in a little bit of a slant, but I press it on, pack on that shadow so that the intensity is there, and I really want to pat it out and sort of blend it into a wing. Go ahead and keep patting and blending until you feel that your wing and outer corner is deep and to your liking. So then I clean it up with some Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. Glitter time. So first I apply the adhesive onto the lid all the way up above the crease. Now my eye is ready for the Mystic Teal glitter, and I just apply that with the Nabla Dab and Smudge brush. Pop on some lashes. These are the Lashylicious Less Delicious Lash, and do your face makeup if you are following along. And let's get right back into the palette. This is Lucy though. I'm taking the Nabla small pencil brush into the inner corner to brighten up and open up the eye, and I also like to take it in the inner lower corner as well. With Euphoric and Divina and the Nabla smudge and dab brush, I add that to the lower lash line to add some emphasis, especially in the outer corner. The Benefit Roller Lash is what I put on my lower lashes, and the lip liner and Pillow Talk and Fresno lip gloss from Cargo, and that is what I put on my lips.
And that there completes this look using the ILUVSARAHI times Colourpop collaboration. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on this look. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Nessa Sunshine, and comment down below Kaleidoscope if you made it this far in the video. And that's it for today, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now!